Is there a more Southern California way to celebrate the holiday season than with a sandcastle contest?
The holiday season, a time for cherished traditions. In New York City, the Christmas tree lighting at Rockefeller Center is a hallmark event. Across the country, people gather for snow-filled celebrations and holiday parties. But here in Southern California, we do things a little differently. Behold, the Hermosa Beach Sand Snowman Contest. A celebration of the season where holiday cheer meets sun, surf, and a whole lot of sand. Why bother with sleigh rides when you've got beach vibes? Instead of snowmen, we sculpt bikini-clad sand women. Frosty may have his carrot nose, but here we've got sunglasses and seashells.
So today we have our annual Sand Snowman Contest.
Hang on just for a minute. Doesn't this guy look a lot like Matthew Stafford, the Los Angeles Rams quarterback? All right, let's keep it going.
To my knowledge, the contest has gone on for decades. I've personally supervised it for the last 12 years or so, but I have people here that said they came as kids themselves, so we don't know the exact duration of the event, but it's been going on for 20, 30 years.
While others have to worry about the sun melting their snowmen, we have to worry about the incoming waves taking away our sandcastles.
We typically get blue skies, sunshine, and a lot of smiles, so it's awesome.
Thanks, man.
This event is truly a family event.
It's just a beautiful sunny day here today. It's an annual tradition here.
Do you have a favorite?
Oh, I can't say.
Can't, mayors
I
can't
can't
pick, yes.
say. No.
Here, look, can you tell me now?
One contestant gave me a donut thinking he was going to influence the judge. I said, I'm just the mayor, I'm not the judge. So.
Did he ask for a donut back?
And like any other contest, you gotta have judges. I was curious to see if there was any insider secrets to what makes the perfect Sandman.
One of the tricks to actually achieving a true Hermosa Beach Sandman Snowman is using elements from the ocean. Seaweed, seashells, and trash.
People put effort into it, the story that's behind it, people who are having fun. I mean, that's what we're looking for.
5 minutes.
A lot of these contestants spent hours building these sandcastles.
Seems to be concerned about that tide coming in.
Now it was time to see who were the top 5 best sandcastles.
Drum roll, please. Drum roll, please. Snowmanners by the McCutcheon! One of the hardest categories to determine came in representing the traditional category, Sandy Snowman. Tell me what the inspiration was. Sandy Claus! This group has been supported. Fourth category, best dressed, goes to Ozzy Melissa. All right, ladies and gentlemen, for the Hermosa Beach favorite, Nick, drum roll, please. Audience, drum roll, please.
Yeah, my battery died at the worst time possible.
Luckily, I know who won. For the favorite, the winner was Jingle Shells. In the end, the Hermosa Beach Holiday Sandcastle Contest isn't just about winning. It's about community, creativity, and celebrating the holidays the only way we know how to, in true Southern California style. So while the rest of the world might have snow-covered nights and hot cocoa, we got sunshine, surfboards, and sand in our shoes. And honestly, we wouldn't have it any other way. Thanks for watching. I'm Brad Jacobson, and I'll see you on the sand.